how to stay young, how to stay fit, how to rock and roll. You gotta be motivated, number one. For me, the key to staying fit, one of the major keys, there's three major keys. Stop eating at 5:36. The last meal is mostly fruit. The reason being is no energy on digestion. If you have no energy on digestion, at 11 o'clock you have so much freaking energy, it's unbelievable. Most people at 9:30, 10, they're knocked out. But if you're a raw foodist and you eat mostly fruit, and they stop eating at 6 o'clock, you have energy till at least 11 o'clock. Knowing that, I have to exercise at night. Because I have so much energy, I have to slow myself down. Number one. Not number one. You have to really not be motivated. You have to get in a routine. And the routine has to be consistently day in, day out, day in, day out, day in, day out. And you can lose a day here or there, but the focus is, well, what do you want? How badly do you want it? What do you want? How badly do you want it? That's really the secret. There's no other secret. Day in, day out, and you have to want something really bad. And most people say, yeah, I want this. You're not willing to put in the work. Not willing to put in the work. I want a garden. You got work it. Me and Nick, we're out there till 9:30, 10, I guess, something like that.
Mm-hmm.
Something like that. Getting bamboo sticks, getting banana peels. So I really like putting these on every day. At 40 years old, you want to be young. At 50 years old, you want to be young. At 6 years old, you don't want to be walking around in a cane with medication. The key is mostly fruit. When you eat mostly fruit, there's no energy on digestion. If there's no energy on digestion, you get the energy back. Okay, stay young. Major exercise, I told Nick, these are my two major ones. Besides wearing this. Rebound. Listen, 3 levels. By the way, these are working like big trees. Too bright?
No, I like that.
Works at 3 levels. I figured the elevation up, deceleration down, gravitational pull down. That's 3 separate energies on a single plane. When that happens, all the waste that surrounds each cell gets flushed out. When that happens, that activates your Th cells. Your Th cells have something called hydrogen peroxide. Their job is to go to any cell that harm your being.
So it's like it's like hyperoxygenating you.
It's Th cells is your they're designed to go to any cell that does not belong in the body and destroy it. That's their job. Any cell that's harming your being, like in your case, any cell that has toxins in it, remember I told you that? It will go to that cell and destroy it. You can't beat that. Not only that, it's like health now. I do it 1,000 times. Shoot for 1,000. Right. If you jump 6 inches off the ground, you double your weight. Which means I shoot for 200 times. 200 times, I'm lifting 135 pounds every single second. That's 270 pounds I've lifted. Not only that, when I jump 3 inches off the ground, all the forces of life that are trying to bring me down rise above it.
Mm.
Can't have a bad day. Because that energy, even though that lifting against all the forces that pull you down, you rise above it and that stays with you. You can never have, I've had a bad day in years. I don't know what a bad day looks like. I don't do it. Because I believe that every moment is super super exciting. You know yourselves. Okay, read about the key. Start your own pace. This, that. Well, I started at 45, 42. That's why I did this. 34 years later, I'm rocking it. 1,000 jumps. Next, this is really very underrated. Super, super, super underrated. It's called Egoscue. I really like Egoscue. Number one is for my back. When I first started, you'll see shortly. I do this anywhere from 1 to 3 times a night. See this right here? Best to do it without a shirt on. This activates your back muscles because you have a lot of points in your back and it activates it. Okay. The whole idea is for you to be in a relaxed state. You have 2 nervous systems. You have your sympathetic and your parasympathetic. Your sympathetic makes you on the move, but your parasympathetic is when you relax. All healing takes place when you're in a relaxed state. All healing takes place when you're in a relaxed state. And number 3, when you're on that, you breathe for your stomach. Most people breathe for your chest, you breathe for your stomach for 30, 40, 45 minutes. In a relaxed state, your body, you know what it says? Thank you. And it lines your hips to make sure you have the best day ever the next day. Okay, so you lie down. I'm not going to do it without a shirt. What I do, let's see, I can do this. Okay. When I first started doing it, my head was about 8, 9 inches off the ground. I couldn't put my head down. You'll see that a lot with older people. Because the more I do it, now I'm about an inch, maybe an inch and a half off the ground. So you do it. You lie down here. Okay? This one.
And you'll lay 45 minutes with that on your back?
What?
You'll lay 45 minutes with that on your back?
30, 45 minutes, yeah.
Wow. That's pretty crazy.
You won't feel it.
Yeah, yeah.
You won't feel it. If it does bother you, take it off.
Yeah.
Put 1 foot there. Get the other foot there. Okay. You get 10 minutes each level. Now, if you notice, when I first started doing it, see, I'm gonna get. I would like to. By the end of the 30, 40 minutes, my head should be touching the ground.
Wow, really?
Yeah. When I first started, it was about 8, 9 inches. Once I started doing it every day, you see how it is? You breathe for your stomach, and your body relaxes. You breathe for your stomach, your body relaxes. When it's in that relaxed state, your body says, thank you. All healing takes place. It goes, it lines your hips
Yeah.
so they're straight. Lines your hips, your whole body becomes in tune that alignment, and then just begin the healing process. And that's it. That's why I think it's so important, those 2 factors.
Live.
Live.